Okay, so we're gonna finish installing the harness. We're gonna attach it down. So first thing I'm gonna do, I've got 2 zip ties, and I've got the OBD bracket on with some 3M tape. I've threaded it over this air vent here. So I'm gonna zip tie it to this white cable over here for security, the mount. Zip tie there. Another one here. All the trim is back together right now, which is important. Otherwise, this vent is not sturdy. Zip tie this. Okay, so it's already pretty good. And now I'm going to take the backing of the tape off. I'm going to mount it on the back side of this crash pad lower. Hold that there until the tape gets on nicely. And coming out a little bit. Okay, let me do that. Okay, that's nice. That's good. And then we just have to thread the OBD back through the bracket. There it is. Now it's ready to use.